Hello, it's Vegan, and today we're playing at YouTube Life. I just wanted to see how real it is compared to real life. So we're playing. I have played a little bit off screen. Okay, see I got 13 out of 15 Easter eggs. I'm happy Easter because today is Easter. Anyways, I'll tell you what I've done. This count up here, that's my subscribers, that's my money. And they were like, oh my god, you're gonna play people. Actually, I'm not. I have the blue set. I have let me show you. Well, I've played for a little bit, so hello. I'm gonna show you what I've done and play a bit more. Alright, so there's a server monitor, obviously everybody has that. Then you buy the Nova, second best, and I skipped the Vertex, and then the Blu-ray monitor, okay? So I bought the Blu-ray for the keyboards, the mouse, the monitor, the PC, the mic, and the camera. So I have the whole Blu-ray set, or whatever it's called. And it's really well done. It only takes like 10 minutes of grinding. It's not like I've been playing for like 20 days or anything. So I have made a couple videos, but I haven't really unlocked too much. But I unlocked a whole bunch of new games, but I only played the starter game, and I wanted to realistically do it with all of you. So how you make videos is basically you go to your gaming PC and you just press E and you make a video. But you want to make sure all the stats below are high, because the better mood you are, like this is your energy, and you want to go to bed to fill up your energy. You want to fill up your mood with the arcade. Problem is with the arcade, it's so close to the door that I always press E and then it takes me out. But we want to play that. And then what really is bizarre is that from the food, you have to buy food from your own fridge. It's like the fridge doesn't like it. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference to my food, but when you first start, I will tell you that it does make a difference in your money. Anyways, so I unlocked this. I haven't played any of these. I know the more games you have, like this, is probably worth the most money, but I've only played Murder 2, and I'm just going to show you how that looks like. So this is my first video on this. Show you how realistic it is. Okay, so basically you start off, and you start a whole bunch of these, where you can tap with your mouse. I'm playing on PC, so this is like pretty easy, but this is the hard part. So that was the recording part. You're recording stuff, now we're cutting. Like the bacon is gonna die to this guy, and we're trying to cut that. And it looks a lot harder than it seems. Like, oh, it's easy. Anybody can do that. But it's really hard. And surprisingly, my luck is amazing. And I got pretty good ones. So then at the end, you can see your stats. So Game Murder 2, recording 100%, editing 91, publish. And it only takes like 10 seconds. And what I like to do is I like to go take another nap, and then get out of here, play some games, and then go get a carton of milk. And then it'll tell you up here how much it made. I'm getting a lot more stuff because of the blue set. And then you got the Wi-Fi thing. That's part of the tutorial. You're guaranteed to get that. And it basically just makes the game play smoother. Seems like cops and robbers, they're all the same thing. But I know, or at least because I've heard is, Bloxhaven is different. All of these are all the same kind of things as Murder 2. The Murder 2. I'm assuming that's what they meant with 2. Anyways, yeah, Murder 2. Cops and robbers, it's like stuffed restaurant keys. Somebody told me that Bloxhaven is different and you don't press the keys. Well, let's find out. And this is going to make the most money, saying that this is my new song. They lied! Wait, there's nothing wrong with this. But anyways, this is not making a gaming video. You don't press one of these and then that happens. But let's see if there's something different with editing. Oh, the background is different. I think that's different for everyone, so maybe it meant the 1 million one. I have the silver play button in here. Hoping to get one in real life one day. But until then, you know what, playing it in the game, yeah. yeah, I placed it here, but it's really easy to get, honestly. You just keep doing this, you just spam it. And then, yeah, you just keep doing this. That's basically what it. But what I really, now that I told you like how to play the game and stuff, now I'm gonna just actually playing the game. I'm not gonna do some boring grind. I'm gonna tell you how I grind and what to grind for. I mean, I'm not even a guide on this. I mean, I only started like earlier today, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm grinding for. Anyways, well, this is really where the video begins. So yeah. Anyways, so after the book, I'm gonna have the hyper white like set because like all these are gonna be hyperwise. I like to get the PC first because yeah, the PC is gonna be the main thing that you're playing on, and it's 8 stars. So I'm gonna try to buy this, and as you can see, but yeah, not to mention, let me show you over here. There's phones, and you can vlog. And I keep going back to the shop. I got one, so once my next one will be at 500k subscribers. Basically, it's like an auto clicker. So you just click, and then you're getting getting money and subscribers. And if you're lucky, you get a gem. And yeah, you could just auto click this, but I'm probably not good enough. But yeah, that's just a way to make it, but it's not going to make you very much. Best way is going through the whole process, but it's definitely worth it. Anyways, for now, we're grinding for that PC. We are almost there at 74k. Probably just 2 videos. I don't like having to spend money on my own refrigerator, but I'll do it. Okay, now it's time to make a video. And it does matter on how many clicks, because that's your recording. And you want to click as many of these so you can get 100%. And you can see the face changes there, which is kind of cool. Magnificent. Alright, anyways. Sorry if I'm going to be silent here just because I'm focused on cutting. Alright, there we go. 97, that's pretty good. But it gets faster every time, so. Okay. 88, not that bad. 88. Okay, so my recording is 99, that's pretty good. Editing is 89. I think my best was like 91. So that's pretty good. And while that is uploading, I just take a nap. And I just quickly play some video games. Okay, get out of that, and I drink a cup of milk. And then, boom, the money comes in. That's not how it works in real life, okay? If you make one video on Brookhaven, or Brookhaven, is what they were trying to go for. Camera, monitor, okay. I'm getting close. Next video, I should be able, like after this video, like I should be able to buy the PC. So yeah, this is not accurate. Although, I am editing now, so, well, I'm trying to edit. So since this is like my 4th video, I think, I gotta cut some slack on the Photoshop. I'm working, okay? I'm not the best at it yet, but yes, I'm working on Photoshop. I have Photoshop, I just have to learn how to use it a bit more. So, excuse me for the delay on thumbnails. I think you can change thumbnails before, so I'll probably change my other thumbnails for that. So, this, what I'm saying right now, probably won't matter in like a couple weeks or something. Anyways, since I'll just go to the shop because I know I'll be able to afford the gaming PC. All I need is 2 pieces. While I'm there, I might as well just make some money. May as well just vlog if you buy one. Alright, anyway, let's buy this. There you go, the money. Yeah, we bought it. Next thing that we're gonna buy is the monitor. Then you go over here to the keyboard. Then you go to the mouse. Then we go to the mic, and then we go to the camera. That's how I normally do it. Anytime we hear that like shimmering, that means we got a diamond, which is pretty good. Because actually, let me show you. I I actually didn't check it out myself, but I saw this over here. Let's see what it does. So it says, yeah, you just open a chest. You can get any of these. I really want to get either a disco floor, a battery, a safe, or the Wi-Fi router 6, because that's like a legendary, and that seems good. Oh wait, oopsie. I have to like, hate when this happens. There we go. It's just because I go to first person, and then it's just like, wondering what I'm doing. Hopefully, this doesn't take too long to upload. It might take a little longer because I'm going to work on editing with my Photoshop. So yes, and I will be getting mic soon, according to my mom. So yeah, I mean, I still have. Well, I think you should too. But yeah, of course I do. Anyways, these eggs. Yeah, I tried to find a couple of these. That's what I've been mainly working on while I'm trying. They're pretty easy to find, but I can't find the last two. And if you do, you can. No, this is the Robux chest. Oh, dang. Happened again. Okay, nice. Alright, there we go. And now if we go here, if you get 15 eggs, you can buy an egg, and it has a chance to do this. Fabricator. You know what? I'm not gonna even talk right now. Like, what I am, but I'm just. Oh my god. I just can't talk. Anyways. Yeah, you get a carrot coffee table, bunny sofa 1, a carrot chair, bunny sofa 2. I mean, these are all like chances you can get. You'll get one of them. Carrot bed, carrot sofa, top hat, router, gold egg, golden carrot. You know, I'm not gonna even try to say that. Fabergé egg green, and then the egg red, the Fabergé egg blue. Don't really know what those do. I mean, I understand the furniture because furniture is furniture. But, alright, anyways, we should just go get some more money for that monitor and vlog on the way. I mean, you could autoclick this like a really I wouldn't do that, but I mean, that's cheap, but at least not until I get the best phone in the game, which is 1 billion subs. I don't have a million. But soon I will get better stuff so I can get more subs because it seems like I'm doing pretty good. How much do I need? Oh, 500k to play Adopt Us and then to play Cupid. Alright, let's play some more block saving. Oh, wait. Actually, wait a minute. Let's actually show you what the bot is. I haven't done it yet, but like I've seen it. And then I just died. I haven't actually like killed or anything. So basically, all you do, this is this bot, and then you get a gun as soon as it says start, and then he's shooting you, and it's a one-shot kill if he hits you. But then you'll see the health bar down here, and you only do 1 damage. Where it kind of reminds, like the gun kind of reminds me of like a toilet paper shooter. This isn't like even a gun game. It's just like one of those games. It's just like, oh, it's fun. How did I die? Okay. Well, I don't know how I died. I think it lagged a little. Oh, it's lagging a little bit. I should probably just cool it down. Anyways, it should cool down as soon as we kind of play or make some more videos. Anyways, yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna keep grinding until we have the whole like other set. We have the full Bloomer set, and then we also got the next gen. I'm gonna call it next gen for now. Oh my god, those are my dogs. Oh yeah, they're very nice. Alright, anyways, those are my dogs. No need to worry about them. I'm just barking at the door. But this is the next gen PC, I would say. That's really nice. We're gonna try to get the next gen everything today. Like this version. I forgot what it's called. It was like Hyper Y or something. I want that for every single game. That's what we're going to try to do today. And yes, Pet Simulator X, I'm still working on it. I mean, I have done it, but I'm not playing it for now. But I'm going to keep playing on it. I'm just going to try to rotate between videos. So these are the games that I'm generally going to play on Roblox. Oh my god. My gosh. I wish you could see them. I'm working on it. If you can see my face. Oh god, my character is looking kind of ghostly. Anyways, alright, I got an epic, but yeah, my okay, my duck's barking. It's fine. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, wait, I don't remember. Okay, whatever. But yeah, we're trying to get all the next gen consoles. Oh yeah, I was saying what I'm generally gonna be playing. So I'm gonna generally be playing Roblox more. Roblox. I'm probably gonna start Brookhaven because I don't know how to play the game. Never played it before. And it seems popular. Pet Simulator X. These are the games that I haven't played that I'm probably gonna play. Piggy. Piggy seems very popular. What is it called? Yeah, Pet Simulator X. I've already played that. I'm gonna continue making videos on that. And then I might not play it as I'm doing this. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be playing this YouTube game, of course, and yeah, that's about it. I would say. Oh yeah, maybe Beastworm. Although I'm kind of a god in that, I would say. I mean, I got the Cupcake Caster. The only people who play Beastworm, like a lot, would know what I'm talking about. But yeah, probably Piggy, Brookhaven, Pet Simulator X. What are some other games? Lucky Block. That's not really like a grinding game, that's just kind of like for fun game. So yeah, maybe even Arsenal eventually. Arsenal is very fun. Oh, what about a 96? That's really good. 99.6. Very fun. And then yeah, that's about it, I'd say. And then I'm gonna get better at editing and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just kind of telling you all my plans to play. Yeah, so hopefully we have fun playing those games, and yeah, just as a reminder, in the middle of the video, please like and subscribe, okay? I'm crying. Eat the apple, bro. Yeah, let's try to make it to 400 and 1K subscribers, okay, no, at least 100K, okay? Maybe 100K. Get my first play button. Might be really amazing. So, yeah, let's try to make it. Well, obviously not this video. I mean, there's so many first video. I mean, I doubt I'm gonna ever go viral, but you never know, actually. Maybe one day I'll just make a great video. Until then, I'm still trying. But I wouldn't quit YouTube even if I just got it. Alright, recording 100%, 75. Alright, uploading is good. Alright, sleep. Oh, nice. I have enough money to buy some stuff. But I don't have enough money to buy it all. I'll just get like 500K. Money-wise, and then I would have to spend like $20 every time I make a video. Although, like, compared to all the money I make for a video, $20 is only a dent in my savings. I'm almost going to unlock a new game. Because I almost have 500K. Alright. Oh, I got a spring. That's pretty good, I think. I don't know what that means. Dang, so selling, that's horrible. Hey, 81. Trash, but okay. 89. Kind of a 90. It's better than my last one. So upload and publish. Alright, sleep. Yeah, upgrades. Wi-Fi router 1. Oh, so this is just for your upload. Okay. I guess that's still good because then you can constantly make videos, but obviously you want to be topped up, so it doesn't really make too much sense to keep having those, but yeah, I guess I'll still try to get them. Gold bars, 10% more cash. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that's from the Easter event, safe, 20. I really want the safe because that looks kind of cool. Get the coffee machine, I guess. Player loses 20. Wait, player loses energy 20% slower. Why would I want that? Loses 40% slower. Wait, player loses energy 40% slower when placed. Why do you want that? Or would you want this one? Wait a minute, so this is Robux. Okay, Diamond Catalyst, get 24 more gems and price. 25%. And egg with a catalyst. Alright, I guess that's good. Upload speed, cache increased, energy, slower. Oh, wait a minute, what that means slower. Oh, so wait, you don't lose as much. So, like, my mood won't go so down if I would use bounce. Oh, okay, that makes sense. This is cool. It's a cool feature. I like that. Because I thought they were just taking away your stuff. I'm like, why would I ever want that? But no, it makes sense now. It's like I was reading it wrong. Like, I can read it. But I was, oh, wait, the robot is attacking. Let's try that again, actually. That was kind of fun. Damn. Wait a minute, get out of here, get out of here. I don't know what happens if you beat it. I've never beat it before. A minute. Oh, wait, information. Let's get in there. Let's go. Alright, okay. 4. Hopefully I don't die again. I don't even know how I died again. Oh, I think it just kind of lagged in this area. Alright, nice. We're just tossing her ball. Yeah, we should have done that. Am I the only guy left? Oh, no, there's a couple other guys. God, people get eliminated there. That makes sense if the one shot. I thought it'd be like a 3-shot kind of thing, but it's not. So I'm just spamming the click button and running around. Oh, this is what killed me. It doesn't give you any indication where you're shooting. So you actually have to watch where the lasers are going. Because it could be going to you. Oh, I almost died. Oh my god. 1 minute. Me and this guy are like pro gamers right here. Like, yeah. Damn it. Alright, he's better than me. I will admit. Okay. But, alright. Well, I guess since we're out, we can do it. Oh yeah, we can also buy homes over here. I haven't really checked it out, but in the tutorial it showed me. So that's cool. Anyways, so we bought this PC. Now we want to buy the Duo. Either Hyper Y monitor. Then we'll do the Hyper Y keyboard. But how much does the mouse cost? I don't think a mouse would cost that much. 70k for a mouse. You can't even see my mouse. Okay, like right now, you can't even see my mouse. I don't know what that does. Okay, my mouse is pretty good actually. But you can't see it, so I don't understand the point of it. But alright, you know what? It's improving my YouTube skills, I guess. I will take it. All you need is a simple thin mouse, but I got a really good mouse. But I'm getting mic soon, so yes, I'm trying to. And if you want to know a little bit more about me, you should actually try to look at my channel. And while you're there, please subscribe. Oh wait, yeah, this thing. Your channel, delete the mean comments. Not in the real channel, but overrated. Quit YouTube. Yeah, we gotta get rid of those. Oh, yes, we can do Adopt Us now. Oh, good job, rolling little man. Saved 100k play button. And yeah, that's pretty easy to get, but still. Okay, yeah, no, this is a different. Unless it's on the next screen. There'll probably just be different pictures again. Nice work, that's pretty good. I think. I don't know. Every time I get like 100%. 85, that's okay. 77, that's horrible. Okay, 87, that's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, got 100%. Alright, so now we're gonna just grind for a mouse at 7k, okay? 7DK. It's like, why don't I just buy a house with that? Well, actually, you couldn't buy a house with that, but you're getting close. Honestly, do you have to eat the apple, bro? Alright. Oh yeah, wait a minute. I got a dual screen now. I don't know why that doesn't matter. Actually, right now I do have a dual screen. I just want my head. That kind of makes sense. It's kind of like realistic, honestly. Yeah, because I have 2 monitors and my PC. So yeah, that's cool. Oh god, this video is gonna take an hour. Like 4 hours. Because this is gonna be a long video. Although I want to keep grinding this game. This is actually quite fun. I like it personally. Hopefully you like it too. I mean, I know. So yeah, please subscribe and like. Not the end yet, but okay, we did alright on that one. Alright, we have 3 more things to buy before we leave today start another video tomorrow because it'll take like 20 years for this to upload. And I will be trying to edit with Photoshop with thumbnails because yeah, it's not proper to do with thumbnails, alright? I don't know how he eats milk, but whatever. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, how much do I need for I'm never getting that. Dang, well, it's even hard to get it in the game. Not how people do it in real life. Alright, magnificent thing. I hope that's good. Although I got a lot because they're really good. Ooh, that's really good. That's really good. That's really good. That's a horrible. If that was in your class in school, you would fail. You just fail. Alright, anyways. My dog does. Yeah, recording 100%. 83. That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. Not really good, but it's good enough. Better than having like a 16. Yes, play the games where your head is pressing the buttons. Totally. Alright, anyways, let's go to Apple. Nice, we're getting paid. We're already making our next video. It's kind of like me, but now it's going to take a little longer to upload because of thumbnails. So, yes. I could probably do it like 3 times a week, maybe twice if it's a busy week. And yes, this is called the Cookie Gaming Bros. And today, we don't really have a row to play with. Don't worry, it's just today. He was on vacation or something, so. Yeah, of course. It's not my brother or anything. Like, literally, but. So, yeah. I mean, like, I can also play myself. I really only chose the name. Because of, like, nobody else used it, so it'd be easier to find my channel. But not really. It was mainly because my dog's name is Cookie, and, I kind of wanted to base it off her because she's cute. Anyways, oh, wait a minute, we already have, we can leave. Go ahead. Alright, as soon as this money is given to us, to hit 1 million. Oh my god, I thought like that was impossible. Hit 1 mil. And I got a new phone. Nice. Yeah, I got a new phone for vlogging. It's not one of those old phones anymore. It's actually like, I don't know what kind of phone this is. I mean, I know it's probably an Apple phone. So, yeah. Anyways, I think this is going to be the end of the video. If this isn't, if we can buy them. We can buy that. Dang, that was a lot of money. Okay. I already have it. Okay, hopefully I have enough money. Okay, nice. Oh, I already bought this. Okay. So now we have the hypercut set. Nice. Alright, that was the goal for today. And we get 1 million subs. That's really good. Not in the real life, of course, but in the game. Hopefully we can get there in real life eventually. Alright, anyways. Well, my set looks so much cooler now. Alright, anyways. I wanted to do one thing before we go. Where was it? There it is. And you want to go to words, play buttons, and I'm going to place it right here. Let's go. Alright, let's do this and then wire it. Let's see. You can't really see anything on it, but nice. This one's easier to see. Anyways, nice. We hit 1 million subs in the game. We got like a lot of this. Like we got the whole hyper set or whatever. We made a lot of money, but there's one thing. One last thing, and then I will be saying goodbye. We got 13 eggs. And we can buy this chest. Hopefully we get something good. What is that, coffee machine, too? Wait, it's the second coffee machine. What does that do again? I don't know what that does, honestly. Let's check it out. As soon as I place this, should be the end of the video. Probably gonna be like a 20-minute video. Which is good and bad at the same time. Energy. Oh wait, this saves your energy, I think. I want to put it next. I don't want to break my PC, so I'll put it next to the fridge because it's kind of like the foodie area. Okay, so I want to go to upgrades. coffee machine to player loses 10%. Okay, so now my energy bar, the electric thing, it will lose less of this, 10% less. That's pretty good. They make it kind of sound confusing, like you're actually losing energy, but no, I don't think they do that. It makes sense because it's coffee and it gives you caffeine and stuff. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Please comment for the next video I want to play. Video game you want me to play. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.